Hi, welcome to the Woodworking Wisdom Christmas Stocking Filler Guide. My next choice is Chroma Nick Agar series Viking Sunset Bowl Kit. Now this kit includes everything you need to recreate one of the most iconic bowls or bowl shapes in the world today. The kit includes all the colours, the clear sealer, the urethane, chroma gilts and the acrylic lacquer. So why not give it a go and make your own Viking Sunset Bowl? Thanks for watching and look out for more stocking filler ideas from the Woodworking Wisdom team.